Alright guys, we are back at it. I am in the middle of getting the timing belt tensioner loosened up. If you loosen them up and don't take it out all the way, I hear there's enough slack to where you can just pull the belt. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's get underneath the car and I'll show you what I'm working at. Kind of see there's one bolt right there, and then there should be another one. It's tucked in right back there. But that one and that one, you loosen those two, you do not take them out. Basically, it gives you enough slack to pull the belt off the cam gears. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. As you can see, we got the head off, cam bearings off, caps, and then the camshafts right here. These are in order. There's specific caps for each side of where it connects. We did get the head off, so I don't know, I don't know what I got myself into, to be honest. Like, it's gonna be such a pain to put back together. Look in here, we got the distributor chilling, and then the block, pistons and all that good stuff. I was looking here, cylinder 6 looks kind of, I don't know, it's kind of white, so I don't know what that is exactly. I'll do some more research. And so now it's all about cleaning it up, cleaning the deck surface of the block, make sure that's all good to go, and then put the head gasket on and hook it back up.
You just brushed it on there, didn't you?
Just brushed her on there. So, got some good old gasket remover, hoping that it does its job. And then we got a non-marrying razor blade, aka plastic. It's got, it says let it sit for 15 minutes, and then we'll just get it scraping, I guess. So it says 15, but it says anaerobic gaskets required 25 to 30 minutes. I don't know.
So just let it sit on there for 35 minutes.
Then we can clean up.
Let's look at the gaskets.
So, of course, what the hell? I don't know. I must have been in a rush. But this the intake manifold gasket that sits on the head. It's kind of OEM.
Yeah.
It's rusty. So yeah, it was definitely going out. The head gasket. This head gasket's like paper thin too. It's like super thin.
Oh gosh, you're holding something.
Yeah, it's pretty thin.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey, fine.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. How that first goes.
And it's slowly getting there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at that white stuff.
Dude, this is so tedious. Oh my gosh. This set a good amount.
Second coating going on.
Trying to be very scarce. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we're pretty much out. We did good. I mean, not bad.
But it's looking pretty good so far for just this single.
Yeah, if we're just going over it once, I think definitely got to hit right here, around.
In places like this.
Yeah. Alright.
It's looking pretty good. Feels pretty smooth.
Yeah, basically just just want to clean some crud off the valves. You know, medium bristle brush. Don't want to use that just in case. It's can be pretty dangerous in case like scrubbing and scratch the surface. Something that you just want to be careful of. So you just want to, I like just small little squirts, and then just scrub all the way in there. Make sure there's no crud left over. And then we'll grab some compressed air, blow everything out, all the jackets, make sure everything's good. But yeah, as far as everything goes, valves look good. No damage. I'm pretty stoked to see. And then it's pretty cool. As you can see, I mean, timing belt and stuff's not on, but it's a non-interference engine, the 2J is. Except for the non-VVTi is not an interference, or actually, no. The non-VVTi is a non-interference engine, and I think the VVTi is an interference engine. So I might be wrong on that, but you know, that makes me happy. So in case the timing belt goes, it's whatever. No snap valves, and I'm gonna brush everything off, get some compressed air, go over everything, then just, you know, with my thumb, see if there's any rough spots, see if any bumps, but for the most part, it doesn't look like clean. But if you put your finger on it, like
it's smooth.
It's super smooth.
It's like baby butt smooth.
Baby butt smooth. There you go. No, I'm happy with how it came out. Took a little time. Like I said, we'll get some cleaning going on, and then we'll update you here in a sec. All right.
Nice.
I'll just wait for the rest of the shit to dry off. Hold up.
Tyler's gonna continue working without me here. I'm gonna be heading home in a minute. As you can hear, I'm pretty stuffed up. My throat's a little sore.
It's a little sicky.
Yeah, sicky.
Yeah, I'm just
not really sicky, but like my nose just has a lot of issues.
Yeah.
So I'm a mouth breather at night, you know. Nothing fancy.
Yeah.
The head's cleaned, so
The head's pretty clean. I'm gonna start the deck is not terrible, but it's gonna be terrible. Anyways, I'm gonna start on that, making sure everything's Gucci.
yeah.
But
yeah, that head's clean. Now you're just gonna start working on this, right?
yep.
All right. So he's gonna do that without me. We'll have another update here in a couple days. Thank you for watching today's video. If you haven't already subscribed, you can go ahead and do that if you want to see more videos. Turn on bell notification as well. Like the video, comment what you think about this build. If you have any ideas, or if you think Tyler is not doing a very good job, you can tell us.
Constructive feedback, I like it.
Constructive feedback, yeah. Throw your tips in there. We'll see you guys in the next one.